Okay, here's the water. I've done nothing. Just sitting there. Been sitting there for about 2 minutes maybe 3. Now my water hose is kinked. Okay, you ready for this? That must have been 5 layers of random crap all over. Doesn't hurt the paint or doesn't hurt the plastic at all. Falls off. Of course, there's some thick spots and some thin spots. I'll probably have to go over it one more time. Hit all the light stuff here. But as you can see, awesome. No sanding, no nothing. Takes it all off. Water just blows it off. So I figured I would just share that with everybody on YouTube, because nobody else had tried this stuff. And I figured these plastics are beat up, might as well try it. So can you imagine if you got really nice plastics that have been painted, how well they'll come out. So I'll make another quick video when I'm all done.